Hellcat.
Can I look a bit of chicken this daddy? 3 pieces of chicken can about 12 for me bring. One whole half all of them. You say, who knows what to cook there now? That me I tell you. How that? Once and once, a memory chip in the eye. Dragon, are you that eye? The ones and ones, you just say, oh, who that eye? You can't pull the door in the eye. I and I want to have business in the eye. Who that? Memory chip, bro? Them gal rasta, you know, turban they clean so daddy. Where are they with? But I would use an eye, cause you just say in a day in the eye like you try style eye. No man, I choose me that eat man sitting on more. Me I say, I say I'm so but I say me forward daddy. So where are they, my friend? Y'all hear a robot bossy daddy. I watching the eye and I come but I fall them in the eye. Cause you go in the eye could be right now. 12 eye chick smell it. A chicken all a fry in the eye. My chicken in that in the eye. But for your rasta, you know chicken smell. Me know all you know watching about differently. Watching daddy. Let me tell you what go on TV fall. Me go say so me go feel look for Lulu daddy. When I fall, rush me, see me go say I'm boxer one day. And the rest I fall them like they want different. And me I say easy, you know fall the door, you know what I mean? Me kill you in and then upon one bag of fall chatting dog and me see 12 of them goes off and flick up and me run off and I tell them say easy, go back in the cup and run me come straight at me daddy. So we just go and can we just see them and just cook them dog. I see if you save my life, brother. Jaga, hear me I say nah, you come with the story. I just want to pay for I-12 fall higher and we'll go with separate way. No problem higher. Alright. So how much for 12 fall daddy? Alright, higher. 2 bills a pound, but we know the I don't like pay. I don't really want the argument higher. I just want my one. So we take 150 higher. 150 a one? That dear daddy. 150 a pound higher. Pound? Bah? I saw foreign fall away for them pan 3-course meal. Let me chip you hard daddy. How much that? A easy much higher, 150 a pound higher than we 4 pound higher. Is what me I say? And me I say a 12 fold that higher, so you don't have about 7,200 higher. What? One thing me understand when you say well I got higher daddy. Say that again. Alright, higher, pass a pen, so show you higher. See the higher, alright. 150 higher. Right? And each fold a 4 pound times 4 higher gives 600 higher. And 600 times 12 higher. See that? 7,200 higher. Easy much higher. 7,200 I'm mad daddy. Watch it on membership. And that general daddy me can give you 7 bills and give you 20 next week daddy. That me I tell you. Because I say me have to, me my phone and run me down in there. Me have to find them and pick them and cut off them foot and dash with them claw and gizzard. Feather them and hold it for work. I mean I charge you for that daddy. So you know what? Don't the reason. We just quit sorty. Me keep my work and you just make it know say fall and gone. So we don't have vibes. Aya see your style aya. You go get it a day in the eye. Remember, said everybody out for you in the eye. When your time comes, you go ball blood in the eye. I tell you in the eye. The blood is still sees the eye, the school in the eye, everything good in the eye. And I go highways, you know. Memory chip. You know that. Man, I move X dog. I'm going to give my leg in the dog. Cabbage shot. Buy more chicken and cabbage shot. Alright. I move X, I beg look of food I'm going to give. But I say, I think me a pray, because I say every man plan for me. And they have it out for me like them. I make plans me up. I wonder if I true. Reada man safa. Maybe she know me man, you know me feel like a tired time with you looking for and that. Me I tell you what. Me say that? Rare. Me I link him and say what he because me have to know them boy I did, you know.
Assalamualaikum tede. Hello.
Safa where you deal with daddy, bro? Them girl read them and watching daddy. You know, a be little things are going from what they do. I say I want a reading do my general.
Stop right there, sir. Safa, know everything.
That me a talk, boy, and everything I might even tell you what I go on it, daddy. Well, me can't go and link you.
You can link me a morning with an envelope with fat like a brand new Benz rim. You know the place.
Where I say daddy man, 43 up the road around the corner and Benny right cross so right a Gloria mango tree there, man. That can be just right to say there.
Alright, and bring a chunk of grass when you left your yard.
Grass? We are gonna do anything else daddy, we are forward.
Yeah man, alright. Well, I wonder if I can call Uncle Ryan and get some information from a brother.
Hey, ticketita. Whoa, ticketita, love me. I'm a song that me tell you, I don't know no good music. How this?
Hello, Uncle Roy. This is Reada man Safa. You know I call for some information pan Dragon.
Information pan Dragon? quick for sell him out, you know, but start still come out the price, you know. You see them safa. Yeah, man, Mr. Reader, man. Ain't me have all information, but come with a price.
No worry yourself, man. You can get up to 200 grand.
So much money, well, let's just open with the encyclopedia of dragon.
Alright, fill me in on the information.
Tell you what, I want to be things in army, tell him. Memory chip have him up in a kind teeth, him fall what day, and what day the boy go and cook, look fall shit, give man them, you know.
Eh? Where I say?
So him man him a print for that too, you know, you understand me, I say? Yeah, man, and the boy support clocks with Butter Shark, and I give Butter Shark the clocks, him teeth, Mr. Chin, money pull up, them the things they can mix in, man, you understand? So when you say me, I get my own.
I get mine in the evening, you get yours the next morning.
Alright, Mr. Safa. Name is sound familiar. I don't know if you know one story about one read the name Safa before, you know. But maybe I look at 38 just right now, it look away. I can write a name for one of them shot just still in case it don't come true, you understand?
Don't worry yourself. Safa know everything from the bullet them were going to the time when the barrel spin.
Alright, look at my general.
Alright. Assistant, we're going bid in the money tomorrow. Salamakante de. Salamakante de.
What? Who that Safa? The boy look like a real Obia man at the place. It's a Obia place that is.
Stop right this.
Let me tell you what go on in Safa.
Don't say another word. Safa move everything. Them a plan for you. Them have big things planned for you. Butter Shark, pray you for the clocks. Mr. Chin, want fire you. Uncle Rai, after you. The man them a pray you. Mr. Chin a pray you for the money pull out. Butter Shark a pray you for the clocks. Beer a pray you for the full shit. Them after you. Be things a go on.
Like the boy they were prima for daddy? Alright, so if I don't see a word, me general. Yo, big, you really read that money, daddy? I watch it, yo. Who they look at package, you know?
Alright. Thank you, my boy.
Look more, hear me general and respect.
Big money this, assistant.
Yo!
Money there. Big money business. I tell you, the whole business a big money business.
Why, Mr. Dragon, I run go down the road, you know?
What? Dragon a run go down the road. Butteras!